Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make expenses and items billable in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with QuickBooks and maybe you want to make expenses and items billable. How do you actually go ahead and set that up on QuickBooks? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is log onto our QuickBooks account. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon. Next, you want to click on Account and Settings. After you open up Account and Settings, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Expenses. Once you click on Expenses, this is the really important step, guys. You're going to see this option here where it says Make Expenses and Items Billable. Click on this pencil icon to edit it and then turn it on or off. So for our example, we're going to leave it toggled on, in which point you want to set up the markup with the default rate, track billable expenses and items as income, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make expenses and items billable on QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.